I seek protection in Allah from the accursed shaitan.
O Allah, certainly I seek protection with you from that I associate partner with you anything and I know it, and seek forgiveness from you for that I don't know it. I repenting from it and I made myself free from disbelief and polytheism and the falsehood and the backbite and the innovation and the telltales and the bad deeds and the blame and the disobedience, all of them, and I submit and I say there is none worthy of worship except Allah. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the messenger